The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Franklin N.C., Granville N.C., Chatham N.C., Harvard N.C., Johnston N.C., Wick N.C., Durham N.C., Nash N.C., and Cumberland N.C., beginning at 2:10 a.m. and ending at 3:10 a.m. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Garner Police Department is searching for Grisha Soloni Aliaga Benitez. She is a 13-month-old Hispanic female, approximately 2 feet, 0 inches tall, weighing 26 pounds. She has brown hair, brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink pajama shirt, red and yellow striped pajama pants. She was abducted along with her mother, Alondra Michelle Benitez de Jesus. The 3 abductors were described as 2 Hispanic males with no other description given, and a Hispanic female described as short and stocky with black curly hair. They were last seen traveling in a black Nissan Altima, license plate unknown. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact the Garner Police Department at 919-772-8810 or call September 1st, 2001.